Hey everyone, welcome to Code with Tarika. I'm thrilled to have you here on my channel where I'll be sharing my decade-long journey in software development, the valuable lessons I've learned along the way, and exciting new technologies that are shaping our industry. Today, we're tackling a question I get asked all the time: is PHP still relevant in 2025? After working with PHP for over 10 years across various frameworks and projects, I have some insights to share. Let's dive in. PHP has come a long way since its creation in 1994. It's now over 30 years old. The language has evolved significantly. PHP 7 delivered massive performance improvements. PHP 8 introduced modern features like JIT compilation, named arguments, attributes, union types, match expressions. The latest versions have transformed PHP into a much more robust and developer-friendly language. According to recent statistics, PHP still powers approximately 77% of websites with a known server-side language. That's a massive footprint. The PHP ecosystem continues to thrive with frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, and CodeIgniter leading the way. Composer has matured into an excellent dependency manager, creating a robust package ecosystem. Let's talk about why PHP remains relevant today. Low barrier to entry. PHP is still one of the easiest languages to get started with. Strong market demand. The job market for PHP developers remains robust, especially for those with framework experience. Cost effectiveness. PHP hosting is incredibly affordable and widely available. WordPress dominance. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites, ensuring PHP's continued relevance. Rapid development. Frameworks like Laravel enable incredibly fast development cycles. I can build a functional API in Laravel faster than in most other languages I've worked with. Massive community. When you encounter an issue, chances are someone has already solved it. Let's be honest about some challenges PHP faces. Image problem. PHP still battles its reputation from earlier, less structured days. Performance for specific tasks. While significantly improved, PHP isn't the fastest for computation-heavy operations. Concurrency model. PHP's shared nothing architecture can limit certain types of applications, though solutions like Swool and React PHP are addressing this. Modern front-end integration. The trend toward JavaScript-heavy front-ends has changed application architecture, though tools like Livewire and Inertia.js have made integration smoother. Based on my experience, here's when PHP makes sense in 2025. Content management systems. PHP remains king with WordPress, Drupal, and other CMS platforms. Rapid application development. When you need to move quickly from concept to production. Traditional web applications. For applications with server-rendered pages and forms. API development. Modern PHP frameworks excel at building RESTful APIs. Existing PHP codebases. There's tremendous value in maintaining and extending existing systems. In my career, I've found PHP particularly effective for e-commerce platforms, content-heavy websites, admin dashboards, and API backends for mobile applications. If you're working with PHP in 2025, here are some best practices I recommend. Use the latest version, PHP 8. X brings significant improvements. Embrace Composer. Use proper dependency management. Follow PSR standards for coding style and structure. Use static analysis tools, FSTN or SOM, to catch issues before runtime. Implement testing. Funit or Pest for testing. Adopt modern frameworks, Laravel, Symfony, or Laminus rather than writing raw PHP. Containerize your environment. Use Docker for consistency. These practices have dramatically improved my PHP development experience and keep the language competitive with newer alternatives. So, is PHP still relevant in 2025? In my professional opinion, absolutely, yes. PHP has successfully evolved from a simple scripting language to a robust tool for modern web development. While it may not be the trendiest choice, it remains one of the most practical ones for many web projects. After 10+ years working with PHP, I still choose it for specific projects because of its balance of developer productivity, performance, and practical solutions to real-world problems. Remember, the best technology is the one that solves your specific problem efficiently, not necessarily the newest or most hyped one. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content on backend development, career growth, and technology insights. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.